Hi there, it's Arena. Welcome back. I hope you have all been doing well. I know times have been pretty tough for a lot of people recently, so I thought it would be nice to have a little self-care pamper day and invite you guys to have one too. I always like to start off by cleaning my space. There is nothing I love more than fresh bed sheets, and I am guilty of spending far too much time chilling in my bed, so changing my sheets always makes me feel refreshed and happy. I'm also going to clean my vanity because it tends to get messy pretty easily, especially since I always forget to put things back. Oops! I also thought it'd be a great time to wash my makeup brushes since it's been a while, and I like to use baby shampoo just because it's nice and gentle and very affordable. I'm also using a brush cleaning tool that I got from Real Technique. Now that all that is taken care of, it's time to take care of ourselves. I'm going to start by taking a nice warm shower. So I just took a shower and washed my hair and it feels great. My hair was kind of disgusting, so it's always so nice to wash it, but I really want to do a hair mask for today's self-care, and I have 3 hair masks here from Bright. They were kind enough to send me these ones, but I have the Masque Mango Gelato Vegan Hair Mask Shine and Protect, and the Masque Watermelon Gelato Vegan Hair Mask Repair and Shine, and the For Strength Hair Tea Tree and Mint. I've actually used this one before, but I haven't tried these two. But I think I'm just going to use this one. So this is the Vegan Hair Mask Shine and Protect Mango Gelato. So I'm going to give this one a shot. Wow, that smells so good. It smells like lollies. It smells like candy. And I'm just going to lather this all in my hair. I actually go pretty heavy-handed with hair masks because my hair is actually really damaged. My hair was previously really heavily bleached, so my hair isn't the healthiest, so I do like to do a hair mask here and there just to help me repair my hair and bring it back to its like good state. Like, one of the reasons that I went back to dark hair was because I wanted to get my hair back to like its healthy old days. So I do really like using hair masks for that. It smells so nice. but I like to lather a lot of the product at the end and then drag the rest to the top. I'm gonna leave that to sit, but I also do want to do a face mask. But I'm gonna quickly go wash my hands before I do a face mask because I have hair conditioner all over my hands. So now that I have my hair mask in and I just washed my hands, I do want to do a face mask. And this is the Jigot Angels in the Sky Vitamin Real Ampoule Mask. And this is actually the mask that Salvana sent to me and I really wanted to try it out. So I thought I would use it today. Ooh, it smells like lemon. My skin is really dry at the moment, so I do need a mask. Ah! It's dripping. Okay. I left this mask in the fridge, so it's like really cold. There's so much excess product. I'm gonna take it down my neck and down my chest. I really like to bring like excess product kind of like all over my body because I don't like to waste anything. If there's any excess, you cannot look cute wearing a mask. Honestly, girls that look cute wearing a mask are a different breed. I just look like a bit crazy, so don't mind me.
버티는 거야 어차피 떠나면 상처 조성인 채로 미워하게 될걸 끝장을 보기 전 끝낼 순 없어 이 아픔을 기다린 것처럼 아마 다 잠깐일지도 몰라 우리 무얼 찾아서 헤매는 걸까.
So I just finished washing out my hair mask and blow drying my hair, and I'm just going to comb it a little bit just because I kind of always like to comb my hair when it's a little bit like damp because I feel like it just helps it dry straight. And you always want to start from the bottom and then slowly go upwards so you get rid of any of the big knots. And I feel like when I comb it while it's like a little bit damp, it helps it dry straight. And my hair is always so smooth and easy to comb after a hair mask. It's so nice. I'm also gonna put a little bit of lip balm on because this is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask Grapefruit. I really love this. It smells so good. I honestly never wear this to sleep. I always just wear it whenever I need to like moisturize my lips during the day, even though it's a sleeping mask. But it just feels so nice and my lips are so dry right now. And there is one more thing that I want to do as part of my self-care routine, and it's my nails. As you guys know, I'm really bad at doing my own nails, and I saw this store on Instagram a while back and I decided to purchase some stick-on nails for them. So today I'm going to be doing this really cute, how adorable, it's like pink, starry, like kind of magic girl vibes. So I really loved this pair, and I picked up two pairs. I picked up this pair and a blue pair, but today I wanted to do these ones. So I'm going to do them with you guys, and these ones are actually a little bit too big for my fingers and I'm actually not a fan of the length. I accidentally picked up long almond instead of almond, so they're a bit more claw-like than I would normally like them. But you know, it's all I have at the moment and they are still really cute, so I'm still gonna wear them. But they're called Nail Angels Melbourne if you do want to check them out. But I brought trial tips from her just to like test out what size would fit, and I know the size that I need to get for my next pair. So the next time I purchase off her, I'm gonna get the right size and the right shape. But for today, I'm just going to wear these ones. So let's get started. First hand done. It looks so cute. I love it. This tip is an extra tip that I got as a gift for free. I think sometimes, I don't know how it works, but I think sometimes she gives you free tips. So that's really cool. If you ever want to swap out like something else or mix and match some of her other designs, you have an extra tip to play around with. I really love that. It's so nice. But I'm going to go ahead. I should have like not done my thumb and my finger because it's so hard to do it when you've already done the other hand. Ah. I'm so not used to having such long nails, but they're so cute. I love them. Anyways, thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to take care of yourselves, and I'll see you guys in my next one.